Holly McKhann with an incredible opportunity for a spacious one-bedroom condo in Lake Forest with this incredible outdoor space. It is very hard to find a one-bedroom condo with this huge amount of outdoor space on the first floor with no steps. If you have pets or if you just like to relax and enjoy the outdoors and privacy, this is the home for you. As you enter the front door, you are greeted by the open concept home here with the living room flowing seamlessly into the dining area and the kitchen. It's a great opportunity if you like to entertain friends or family because everybody can feel like they're part of the action. You also receive a lot of natural light in this condo, and that's also rare in a home of this size. The kitchen features white shaker cabinets with granite countertops and this bar so you can talk to your friends and family as you're cooking. There's also stainless steel appliances, including a fridge that comes with the purchase of this home. The primary suite is also flooded with natural light and features some built-in shelving, perfect for displaying things or putting books on it. And it opens directly into the bathroom, walk-in closet, and you've also got laundry right here. All very convenient. And from your bed, you still get a glimpse of the beautiful mountains in the distance. This community features 3 incredible resort-like pool spa areas. You just feel like you're on vacation when you come here to relax. Bring your friends and family and be entertained here. Also nearby is shopping, easy commuting on the 5 freeway, and everything you need within a short distance. Make sure you come and check out this beautiful home today before it's gone.